History of the English language and literature. Unit 3.2.4.1 Indo-Iranian. The Indo-Iranian comes under the stand of STEM group. This branch has two groups, Indo-Aryan or Indo and Iranian. Iran. And the Indic language is the oldest script available from Indian, which are the various Iranic Brahmans and the Upanishad. All these scripts were written in Vedic Sanskrit. This is the sum of Sanskrit used to write ancient literature. Early Sanskrit was cultural equally only used for writing religious texts in this particular area. Later Sanskrit language was used to write in these things which are outside the sphere of religion. For example, German grammarians like Spanish use this language in a secular way. When they started using Sanskrit language, this language itself underwent certain change, and this now variant of Sanskrit was called classical Sanskrit because this Sanskrit was used to various classical like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Classical Sanskrit belong to the Indic group. Classical Sanskrit is an associated form of Vedic Sanskrit in which the Vedas were written side by side. The classical Sanskrit they extend a large number of local dialects of vernacular language known as Prakrit. The other languages such as Hindi, Urdu, Aryan, Bengali, Assamese, Marathi, Sindhian, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Nepali have descended from Prakrit. Sinhalese, the chief language of Australia. The fair Romance from the Manilands of Indian is also Iranian, includes modern Persian and Negro-Bosnian languages such as Croatian, French, or Persian in Afghanistan and Baloch in Balochistan. Abyss is the sub-branch of the Iranian language. The oldest the language of this sub-branch is old evidence, also called Gothic evidence, which is considered Sanskrit sister. The Indo-Iranian language from a major branch of the Indo-European language family. It is spoken by more than billions of speakers from the Tertiary of the coastal and South Anatolian in the west to northeast India, and Bengali in the east, and the Maldives Iceland in the south. This grouping includes Indo-Aryan learning, Nusrat and Rock branch, all Indo-Aryan language diverged from a common ancient, the reconstruct Proto-Indo-Aryan language that we spoken around the end of the 3rd million BCE due to the externally uncontroversial characters of the Proto-Indian reconstruction. Indo-Aryan is the best established largest subgrouping within the Indo-European family. Indo-Aryan group, we have many anchors and very widespread geographical location as the where they are spoken from. The Fair Persian language spoken in Iran, Afghanistan and Tajikistan to the Bengali language spoken in West India and Bangladesh. There is so much diversity in this branch of language that constitution its one different things, and within this branch of courses German grammar is very similar, pronunciation is very similar, and even basic number like 0 to 10 are very practical, predictable. Some very unique instance of Indo-Aryan language are the Ossetic language, which is spoken near Zurich and in Georgia, and also in the North Ocean district of Russian, and then there is also Nepali, the national language of Nepal, spoken by the majority of its citizens. There are many more Aryan languages that are extremely dispersed throughout Asia, such as Khurshid, the largest ethnic without its one state of Oriya, which is spoken in West India in the state of origin. There are also many minorities language. These small pockets of Indo-Iranian language are spoken throughout Asian even are for us. Indo-Aryan language is one of the most fascinating and vivid disparate language families.